So ASEAN integration. Investigate ASEAN's integration efforts and their impact on member countries. Members: Feliciano Julianep, Neles John Paul R. Matia Rain O. Eligeda Mark Birgel Limbo Cypress. So table contents. Number one is impacts on member countries. Number two is efforts on member countries. So introduction.
The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or also known as the ASEAN, founded in 1967, is a regional organization of 10 Southeast Asian countries, such as Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Its primary goals are to promote regional peace, stability, and economic cooperation. Over time, ASEAN has become a significant force in both regional and global affairs, fostering collaboration and unity among its diverse member states.
For the challenges, economic inequalities, the member countries are at different levels of development, which makes it challenging to have uniform policies and result in unequal benefits from integration. Loss of sovereignty. The integration process requires harmonization of policies, which raises the issues of national sovereignty. Non-tariff barriers. Even though the have been reduced, non-tariff barriers like regulatory differences continue to hinder full economic integration. Institutional capacity. ASEAN's decision-making process is based on consensus, and its enforcement mechanisms are limited, which slows down the process on critical issues. Social and cultural differences. Different languages, religions, and cultures in the member states could be a hindrance to greater integration.
The efforts of ASEAN integration on member countries. Economic integration. The establishment of ASEAN Economic Community or AEC in 2015 is a cornerstone of ASEAN's integration efforts. It seeks to create a single market and production base characterized by free flow of goods, services, and investments, simplified customs procedure through ASEAN, single window, reduction of trade tariffs under the ASEAN Free Trade Area or AFTA, political and security cooperation. The ASEAN Political Security Community or APSC aims to promote peace, stability, and diplomatic dialogue. Major initiatives include the Treaty on and Cooperation (TAC), disaster risk reduction mechanics, collective efforts combat transnational issues such as terrorism, human trafficking, and enhance connectivity efforts. The ASEAN Master Plan on Connectivity 2015 aims to improve physical infrastructure includes transportation and energy networks, institutional connectivity, streams of policies and regulations, people-to-people connectivity, increased labor, mobility, and cultural exchange.
The impacts of ASEAN's integration member countries. Economic growth. Export-driven economies such as Vietnam and Malaysia have reaped significant benefits from expanded trade Trade opportunities. Foreign direct investment or FDI is countries such as Indonesia and the Philippines have attracted significant FDI, which has boosted job creation and infrastructure development. SME growth. Regional integration enables small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, to access larger markets and value chains. Regional stability. ASEAN members' peaceful relations create a stable environment for economic and social development. Joint crisis response. When natural disasters and security threats are addressed together, resilience improves. And lastly, increase trade efficiency. Better transportation and digital networks make trade easier. Tourism growth. Improved connectivity has boosted tourism industries in Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Our future strategies and recommendations. Reduce gaps by providing funding, training, and infrastructure to poorer countries. Encourage investment in underdeveloped areas to create jobs. Allow countries to implement regional policies at their own pace and ensure that all members feel included in decision making. Align rules and standards to facilitate trade, assist small businesses, and improve systems for resolving disputes quickly. Speed up decisions with majority votes, strengthen ASEAN institutions, and collaborate with private companies to share expertise. Encourage exchanges, cultural events, and tourism to foster understanding. Encourage language learning and respect for cultural diversity while discovering shared values. Use technology to improve communication, prioritize environmentally friendly growth, and collaborate with other countries to share resources. These steps can help to strengthen ASEAN while also meeting the needs of each individual country.
Conclusion. ASEAN's integration efforts have had a significant impact on the member countries, promoting economic growth, regional stability, and social development. However, full integration necessitates addressing long-standing issues such as development gaps and the need for improved policy coordination. As ASEAN evolves, its integration agenda remains critical to ensuring long-term and inclusive progress throughout the region.
Thank you for listening.